Kelly Stolzberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Vinny, who is going to show us another fantastic recipe. What are we doing today?
Today we're doing pepperoni pinwheels. Starts with dough. I'm gonna take this, I'm just gonna open it. At home, you're gonna do it with a roller. I'm gonna make a nice square, and we want it as thin as possible. All right, you wanna participate? Can you help me here? Look at this. So what I wanna do is I wanna cut this off. We're gonna start with our shredded mozzarella cheese. This is gonna be the middle of the pinwheel right here. All right, I'm gonna take off the top of this now too. Let's do...
Pepperoni.
Ham.
Oh, it's never what I want. The muscles on this ham, almost as nice as mine. What?
There's no right or wrong.
Until I do it wrong.
Correct. Perfect.
Okay.
Too much. Pepperoni next.
Knew it.
Go ahead.
I love pepperoni.
Perfect.
Too
All right,
much.
that's way too much pepperoni.
I said it.
No, it's good, it's good. So I like to make the first layer of the pinwheel. All hands, watch. Now we have our log. Pinch the seam right here. We're gonna go down with sesame seeds. We're rolling back this way, and look at what we did right there. So I like to pinch the ends, and now we cut. Cut the ends off. So we got 6 pinwheels out of that. We're gonna take that, we're gonna give it a little press. 450. 10, 12 minutes, okay? Look at those, right?
Wow, Vin.
A little pecorino on top. Look at that cheese in the middle there, right?
Wow, it's a good looking pinwheel.
Right? If you want to try this recipe at home,
Head to our website, news12.com, and you'll find the recipe there. Let's eat.
let's do it.
Okay.
All right?